My nephew wanted to go fishing today, so I took him earlier. He had caught a bunch of grasshoppers, and I had to take him back to his mother. He had a doctor's appointment today. But I want to show you I'm down here fishing today at the lake, and I was sitting on that 5-gallon bucket, and I almost paralyzed myself. I sit there so long that my legs went numb. So they are biting, but I just have that big circle hook on the end of there, so whatever hits it had to be pretty big for me to catch him, because I think them small ones are too small to get hooked on that big circle hook. It's a beautiful day at Lake Livingston, Lake Brownwood. I'm sure it's a beautiful day at Lake Livingston too. As usual, thank you for watching. Captain Hank. Okay, red-eared slider I had hooked. I got the hook out of him without any problem, and so now he's just got to figure out he's free. There he goes, folks. And he's gone. As usual, thank you for watching. Captain Hank. All of that was just a wave from a boat going by. Thank you for watching. Captain Hank.